Here I have HUAWEI NOVA 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the normal photo mode, and here what you have to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So just hold it, and that's how it works. By going to gallery and tap on this icon, you can review all these burst shots and pick the one that fits you best. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.